Good morning, YouTube. Guess what? You guys asked for it, and we're going to deliver. We know that everybody's been busy during the week, and we wanted to take that extra step to make sure that we take care of you, to make sure that, look, people got things going on during the week and they can't take the time to call us, or maybe they're busy with the kids or family doing things. So we wanted to bring you guys an opportunity that we are now open on Saturdays from 12 p.m. Eastern Standard Time till 4 p.m. Eastern Standard Time every Saturday. So if you find yourself in a position where you're like, look, I'm working during those hours, where I wasn't able to call, I wasn't able to do transactions, we now have a 4-hour window every Saturday from 12 to 4 Eastern Standard Time to be able to help you out, to accommodate the more people that were not able to do it during the week. So I wanted to come to you short, let you know that, we're here. We're here to help. We wanted to put that extra day in there to help you with your credit, your business, your finances, and your personal relationships, and really just help you scale those areas. Because the most important thing about us and what we've done is that we've been able to help thousands and thousands and thousands, hundreds of thousands of people literally in the last 6 years. But more importantly, in the last 90 days, say, we've been able to help literally thousands of people with our Credit Game University. So I'm here to let you know we are now open on Saturdays. You could always call us between 12 and 4, and that number is 904-420-7772. Give me a thumbs up. Let's rock and roll. I'm here for you. We're here for you. We want to get this community together and add extra time to to a day, so you guys can now rest assured that we're going to be open that day for you to help you out. Take care. God bless. 904-420-7772. Give me a call real quick.